Imagine staring at a blank wall, yearning for a touch of personalization. DIY wall art not only adds creativity to your space, but also brings a sense of accomplishment. Let's transform that blank canvas into a masterpiece. First, gather your materials: a wooden board or canvas, nails, colored string, and a template of your chosen design. Ensure each item is ready to use. Begin by preparing your board. Sand any rough edges for a smooth finish, and paint it if you desire a pop of color. Watch as the blank board gets a quick, vibrant paint job. Next, place your template on the board. Secure it with tape to avoid shifting. Mark the points where each nail will go, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Now, carefully hammer the nails into the marked points. Remember to keep them securely fixed and evenly spaced. Safety first. With the nails in place, tie the end of your string to one nail and start weaving it around the nails, following your design. Watch the pattern come to life as the string zigzags and loops around each nail. Continue weaving until your design is complete. Tie off the string and trim any excess. Finally, hang your masterpiece. Position it securely and admire the unique touch you've added to your space. Feel proud of your creative, personalized wall art, a true testament to your artistic flair.